of the top 3 largest expenses you have as a FedEx Ground contractor is fuel. How well you manage your fuel expenses can greatly affect the overall profitability of your business. Fuel expense varies widely between different entities. Depending on how many miles per day you're traveling, you're going to be spending more or less on fuel. In general, we expect to see fuel expenses be between about 5% and 20% of annual revenue. This wide range is highly dependent on how many trucks you put on the road, how many miles those trucks do each day, and the fluctuating cost of fuel in the market. FedEx Ground contracts include a fuel surcharge. This variable fuel surcharge is paid per stop and fluctuates weekly with the current diesel fuel prices in your delivery market. This surcharge does not entirely offset the cost of fuel and only acts as a partial hedge. Even though FedEx Ground does have a partial offset for fuel in both linehaul and P&D contracts, your profits will still hurt when diesel fuel prices are high. The profit savings from low fuel prices are much more valuable than the mitigated damage of high fuel prices. Without a doubt, contractors are much more profitable when fuel prices are low. As a contractor, you only need to focus on the things you can control. Ensuring you are running efficiently and managing potential theft at the fuel pump are the best ways to reduce your fuel cost. When left unchecked, it can be fairly common for drivers to cheat the system and get fuel for personal vehicles while filling up the delivery truck. This issue becomes even more of a problem when fuel prices are high and the temptation to steal fuel increases. What drivers don't know is every $500 of incremental theft is a felony. If they steal $1,500, that turns out to be 3 felonies. These are pitfalls you want to avoid. A little bit of theft, 1 or 2% of margin, can really add or subtract from the profitability of your business. As former contractors, we made many mistakes in the way we approach fuel expenses at the pump. Regular credit cards don't have industry-tailored securities and insights to what is happening at the gas station, and it can be easy for drivers to cheat the system. This is why we decided it was time to make a change by creating the Route Consultant Purchasing Alliance Fuel Card. The Route Consultant Purchasing Alliance, or RCPA, is a free membership program that provides a way for contractors to use their combined purchasing power to help make their businesses more efficient. The program provides a dividend check each year based on participation in the program. The more participating vendors you use, the more you earn. The RCPA Fuel Card is a key component of this alliance, and it can be a huge benefit to all contractors, big or small. This is a custom fuel card built for contractors to increase fuel savings and improve cash flow. The RCPA Fuel Card offers discounts per gallon starting at 10 cents for gas and 30 cents for diesel as of Q3 2022. This fuel card allows access to over 400,000 locations and gives your fleet access to cash prices at fuel locations nationwide on the RCPA Fuel Card network with additional cents off per gallon at select locations. This ensures you have the opportunity to maximize savings on fuel. The other major benefit of the RCPA Fuel Card is its ability to help prevent theft within your operations. You, as the owner, have the capability of limiting where and how your fuel cards are being used. You can specify what types of fuel drivers can use, and you can also get reports on the usage of each card. These customizable features allow you to monitor the use of your fuel cards and quickly identify any theft or attempted theft of fuel from your company. Utilizing the RCPA Fuel Card can make a huge difference in your cash flow and profitability. Regardless of how you choose to pay for fuel, it's vitally important that you establish a system to properly manage your fuel expenses and track the spending habits of your drivers. Fuel is a necessary variable in your operation. Your goal as the owner is to make sure you're spending the right amount.